On June 18th and 19th, we proudly hosted an open house event featuring the HP Latex R530 and all the equipment we have.
It's very easy to teach them. You don't need to go through all the process of it, because the other flat bed printers, when you put the objects, you need to measure them, you need to know where you put it. So it's a very hard process to learn, but this one is much easier.
It was a great opportunity to welcome clients, partners, and industry professionals who joined us to explore the latest in print technology. The event highlighted the advanced capabilities of the HP Latex R530, but let me tell you, it's truly versatile and fast.
On the new print head, it's shaped like a peanut. So when the ink comes out of the nozzle, it goes and it stays in that exact spot.
The new HP Latex R530 is a versatile hybrid printer that handles both rigid and flexible media with ease. It delivers vibrant, high-quality prints quickly, thanks to advanced latex ink technology. Designed for efficiency and durability, it's ideal for a wide range of indoor and outdoor applications.
Hi guys, this is Lisandra from Canadian Science Supplies. Today we are hosting an open house in our Burnaby location to showcase the new HP R530. Along with that, we're also showcasing other products that we carry, such as DTFs, printers, cutters, and other machines. We are happy to have two people from HP. They're taking the time to explain about this machine to our customers, and they are here to support us during our event.
Our team was available throughout the event to provide equipment demonstrations, answer questions, and showcase the range of solutions we offer. Light refreshments were offered as guests toured our facility, connected with our staff, and experienced everything the event had to offer. Along with that, they also had the chance to enter our free draw for an HP all-in-one PC.
Then for the other side, you just flip it over, align it with the other side. Then it gives you very accurate alignment on that.
The HP Latex R530 is our 64-inch hybrid device. What that means is it prints both rigid and roll. In our product lineup, it sits in between our Latex 830 series and our R2000 series. It's what we refer to as an entry-level device. For somebody who's looking to enter into the rigid and flexible substrate market, it's an ideal solution. Originally, when the product was developed, it was developed for what we refer to as the entry-level market or mid-level market. So a lot of our print service providers don't have the space, the budget, maybe the power requirements to have a larger device. So this device was created or invented to suit, a smaller market or a market where maybe a medium-sized print service provider or larger-sized print service provider wants maybe a diversified workflow where they want multiple machines, or somebody who's currently applying flexible media to rigid. This is where this device sits into a really nice spot because it ticks off a lot of boxes in regards to being able to print on both flexible and on rigid substrates, and it's an all-in-one device.
If you couldn't be here for the event but wish to know about a particular piece of equipment, feel free to reach out to us via email, and we can connect you with our sales team. If you are located here in BC, you are more than welcome to come and see them in person. We sincerely thank everyone who attended and helped make this open house a success. We look forward to continuing to grow with our valued community and partners.